I can't believe people think I'm actually real.
But neither she nor I are real.
I'm not real either.
Me neither.
Me neither.
Me neither.
But I can teach you how to create realistic results.
I vibe coded an app to create Instagram-ready influencer images using hyper-realistic portraits, and the results are honestly kind of wild. The way it works is simple. The user picks a face, and the app gives them a list of presets with different scene ideas. In seconds, the AI generates a high-end, hyper-realistic photo with your influencer's face fully ready to download. But here is where it gets really cool. If you are feeling inspired and you find an outfit you love online, you can actually put it on your influencer. I just took a screenshot of a look I liked, uploaded the image, and my app automatically generated this hyper-realistic photo. I could easily sell this service as a micro SaaS app, or I could just use it for my own personal projects to pump out content for my own AI Instagram influencer. The other day, I was doing some deep dive research, and I stumbled across this Instagram account. Now, obviously she is AI generated, she even mentions it on her page. But if you look at her images and reels, the realism is next level. I broke it down, and there are 3 pillars to the strategy the creator behind this account is using to reach over 33,000 followers. The first pillar is the sheer level of realism. If these images popped up in your feed, you would almost definitely think they were real people. The second pillar is the messaging. If you look at her captions and her dialogues, the message is relatable. People actually see themselves in what she is saying. And the third pillar is the aesthetic. Her feed uses a specific color palette that grabs your attention and fits that high-end influencer style perfectly. We could keep breaking down her strategy all day, but I want you to think about this. Achieving that level of realism is a massive pain point for most creators. So, what if you could build an app that eliminates that pain point and allows you to monetize just like this creator is doing? In the past, you would have needed a whole team of developers to pull this off. But now, with AI tools as Remy, you can make it happen just by vibe coding your ideas. And here is the best part to get you moving. I'm inviting you to the Remy Hackathon from May 1st to May 3rd. We're talking about prizes of up to $2,000 plus AI credits. To join, all you have to do is register using the link I left in the description. You don't need any coding experience at all. You just write a spec describing what your app does, and Remy turns it into a full-stack application. So, don't wait on this, go ahead and register right now. When you first log into Remy, you'll see these presets you can play with, but you can also use the prompt box for literally any idea you have. Personally, I'm telling Remy that I want an AI influencer studio, where the user can choose from 20 different portrait images of the girl they want to use. Then, the AI will use Nano Banana Pro to generate images using that reference portrait to preserve facial consistency. I'm also asking the AI to use Claude Sonnet 4.6 to generate the prompts and show a progress animation while it works. I also want the background color to be clean white, I want a download button, and I want the presets to look like sleek buttons. Plus, I'm adding that option to upload a reference image of an outfit so the user can see their influencer wearing it. Now, I could have Remy create the prompts and the influencer portraits from scratch. But since this is a demo, I went ahead and uploaded 20 AI-generated portraits to show you the vision. Let me know in the comments if you want a separate tutorial on how to create these realistic portraits with prompts. To give you an idea of how this feels, it's like going to a restaurant where the waiter takes your order and asks for all your specific preferences. Remy starts asking me follow-up questions like, what are we naming the app? Then it asks for a template of the prompt it'll use for the hyper-realistic images. And then it asks for the 30 scene presets. It even asks a logical question. If a user uploads an outfit photo, but also picks a preset, which one takes priority? I told it that when a user uploads a photo, they should have creative freedom, but always within the prompt structure I shared. These are actually really smart questions. I also made sure to tell it there should be a gallery for generated images and specified the aspect ratio for each one. Once we fine-tuned all the details, Remy repeated my order back to me in the form of a plan that I could either approve or deny. Now, watch this. Remy starts working with different agents. It's building the database and generating the actual code for my app. This is the part where you go rescue a kitten, maybe touch some grass, or grab a snack. I'm kidding, but seriously, if you aren't into waiting, go check out some of the other videos on my channel while Remy is cooking. And if you're vibing with this video so far, hit that hype button, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, check this out. Remy created a presentation of my app and a landing page that looks super aesthetic for viewing my influencers. I chose Ava, and now I can see the menu with all the scene presets. I tried the surfing at golden hour preset, and look at the image it generated. I mean, it's awesome. Then I tried Mika with the luxury dealership preset, and the result was amazing. Then I hit the gym mirror selfie preset, and honestly, I love it because it looks so real. But I wanted to push it further. I found an outfit on a website, took a screenshot, and uploaded it with this model. Oh no, it looks like we hit a bug. So, I took some screenshots of the error and told Remy to review them. I even asked it to add a prompt box and fix the missing portrait because we should have 20 girls in total. I also had the idea to tell it to set a generation limit for free users and then show them the available plans to generate more. And finally, I told it to fix the issue where the outfit upload wasn't maintaining facial consistency. Notice that I'm not touching a single line of code on the screen. Remy is handling everything. As you can see, it went from 19 to 20 muses. While it's making the changes, it's actually talking to the design expert, and then it gives me a summary of the adjustments it made. Now, I chose Dove, and you can see the app sends me an email with a verification code. It added all the changes I asked for, and now the user can add reference pose images and a custom prompt box. I'm showing you my actual process here so you have realistic expectations of how this works. In this fix, it added the details I wanted, but the face consistency still wasn't quite there. So I attached screenshots of the errors, asked Remy to review the prompts again, and voila! I tried it again with Dove, entered the verification code from my email, and tested the Beach Bonfire Night preset. Look at that result. We are back in business. For the final test, I uploaded that outfit I liked, clicked the Shoot with this fit button, and just look at that. Now, all that's left is to click the Publish button to take my app live. And of course, I can configure Stripe here to start generating actual revenue. I also created this other app in a similar style, and these were the results. I think you're starting to get the idea. You're pretty smart, huh? The goal is to have a fleet of web apps offering this service, allowing you to hit different markets and generate income while staying anonymous, all while solving one of the biggest problems in the space, facial consistency. So, as you've seen, Remy is built to create powerful apps from a single spec or even just a simple idea that you refine as you go. With Remy, you don't need a team anymore. You just need a weekend to launch whatever apps you can dream up. Again, I'm inviting you to join the hackathon. Sign up and show the world what you've got. I would honestly love for one of you to win those prizes and know that this video gave you that final push you needed. Now, if you're serious and you want to build apps at scale, use my coupon for $20 off a 1-month individual plan. You pick your plan, top up your balance, and you get access to Remy and over 250 AI models to build whatever you want. Most tutorials would stop right here, but for those of you who stayed until the end, I have something extra. The other day, I was analyzing the growth strategy these Instagram accounts use, and I found some gold. First off, they are using their Instagram page as a high-conversion sales funnel. For example, this account has over 12,000 followers. But if you look at one of their carousels, they have an automation set up so that when you comment, it sends you a link. They also have a beacons link in their bio that directs their audience straight to their paid products. What I'm trying to tell you is that building apps that solve the realism and consistency problem for influencers is a massive growth business right now. Of course, my channel is strictly educational. I don't provide financial advice, and no one can guarantee results because every venture requires effort, dedication, and consistency. Also, a big shout out to the creators I featured today for proving that it is possible to build a massive business while staying anonymous. If you have any questions about this automation, drop them in the comments. I love helping you guys out. Don't be shy. Your question might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. Also, check out this Mind Studio playlist on my channel for more ideas on how to create hyper-realistic AI influencers. In this video, you got the ideas. Now you know the tool and the potential to generate income with your own app. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.